Remember last year, we got these two wonderful innovative products from this brand called Feeka.
Sick na.
But just a disclaimer before we will proceed, this is not a sponsored episode or sponsored vlog. The first one is the Feeka Oscillating Fan and then the Feeka Portable Neck Fan. Both are functional and very useful, especially during summer. The oscillating fan is a big help when picking them up from school in the middle of summer, as the car AC is not really that sufficient. Yep, there are times that the temperatures here can go as high as 50 degrees Celsius. So it is a good multiplier of the AC's cold temperature. Sleek, quiet, and it's very easy to use. And it comes with unique added features too, like the light, soft touch buttons, etc. Same with the portable neck fan. Our little girl is the one using it most often, and it answers that much needed ventilation. These are just two of their innovative products which we didn't get to have 5 or 10 years ago.
A fan. It's tickling me.
Portable neck fan.
Cool. It's like headset.
Now, this time, they sent us this another new product. Ta-da! A hair dryer. They say this is for men. They market this product for men, but obviously this can be used by both sexes. Here in the Middle East, men spend the same as much time or more time and money in barbershop than women in salons. Obviously, this is of no use for me right now with my hair, but this is useful for the wifey and our little girl.
Sige, sige.
But you know what? This is perfect for barbershop owners here in the Middle East. As I've said earlier, there's even a published article I've seen online that men spend more time. Okay, so this proves on what we have mentioned earlier, that men spend more time and money in barbershops than women in salons. So link is here in the description. You can check that out. Anyway, that I think is the reason why Feeka sent me this. Anyway, thank you. Thank you, Feeka. It's a fast-drying blow dryer with diffuser. It has 100 million negative ion, low noise, lightweight blow dryer with rotating magnetic nozzle. Perfect for travel, for your dog, and for your curly hair.